Having trouble with your Nevada Medicaid plan? Watch till the end so you don't miss a simple step. First of all, contact your current managed care organization or Nevada Medicaid. You can call 1-800-992-0900 and choose option 1. After that, you can also log in to your Nevada Health Link account, click Change Plans, shop for a new one, and confirm your choice. Also remember, you may need to wait for open enrollment or show a valid reason called good cause to switch outside that period. And finally, you might need to submit a form like the special MCO assignment change form. So this is how to change Nevada Medicaid plan.